Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you how you can select objects based on different properties or features they have. So for that you want to click on layer here and then on select, and you can select them based on something that is similar or something that is a layer feature. So for example, you could select all text elements of a design or curves, open closed curves. So there are a lot of different things. You could, for example, also just select all the filled objects. In my case, that would select everything as I filled all these objects. And you can also select objects based on being similar to each other. Right now, you're not able to click on anything because you have to select the object that is supposed to be similar to the others first. So just let me select that one, for example. And then if I go on layer, select, and same again, you could, for example, choose everything based on the fill color. Just like that, you have everything selected. And if you now decide, no, I want to have a darker blue, you can change all of them at once, which is quite nice. Another option, if you, for example, want to change the star object, you can go on layer, select, same, and then click on shape to select all of the elements that have the same shape, and then you can see that all the stars got selected. Now you can also go back to this tool where you created the star in the first point and, for example, change the amount of points or the inner radius, and all of them will get changed simultaneously. You could also go on transform objects separately to increase the size, for example. That is also quite neat if you just want to decrease the size of all the stars. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, just put them down in the comments below.